What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is your girl Mayra over here again with a new hair video. Today I have this beautiful wig that you guys are seeing here. This wig is from Luvme Hair. They sent it to me. As you guys can see here, this is the beautiful box with a bunch of goodies, just random things that they throw inside that I actually do use sometimes. This is the hair PreMax wig. Is a 24 inches water wave with a 360 lace wig that comes with the invisible drawstring in the back. Comes pre-cut and everything. So let's get into this installation. So the first thing I like to do is, of course, put some powder. I've been liking powder lately, but you can also use some foundation on your lace and on your wig cap. And when you are satisfied with that, you can go ahead and cut the sides of your wig so it can fit your frame perfectly, and then you can start doing an install. I am doing a glueless install, which means I am using lace spray to glue the wig. Just because I want it to stay for a little bit longer, I'm gonna make sure I do 3 coats. This is still glueless because you can still remove it and clean it up and reinstall it the next day. So that's why it's still glueless, or maybe semi glueless. So when it comes to placing the wig, I like the working sections. I go middle and then side by side. I make sure every side is glued correctly. Everything is in place. I take my time pressing the hair down with the rat tail comb and my blow dryer, always with the cool setting, and it just ensures that, you know, I get the best melt that I can get out of the installation. So as far as the hair and the lace and everything so far, I can really say that the hair is actually extremely soft. I love when the curly hair is very, very soft. Like this one is really easy to use. Honestly speaking, it feels like even just a little bit of water will get the hair correctly. It's just beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. The lace melted easily. It was already pre-styled, so it already came pre-plugged, pre-cut. I did cut the lace a little bit more just because I am extra, and just because, you know, I wanted it to fit my frame the best possible way. And yeah, I did do a second layer of the lace spray after everything was glued down, and then I put some more powder to make sure everything is blended and seamless and it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. And then I put my elastic band and I moved on to styling my hair. I just used the hot comb. To be quite honest, the styling was pretty easy. I barely did anything. At first I wanted to do like a flip over, but to be quite honest, I don't know if I fully like a flip over look. Maybe I'm not flipping it the correct way, I don't know, but I was not a fan of it right now. So I ended up just doing a regular side part. A side part in curly hair always eats. So yeah, I just went for the side part. Here you guys can see how the drawstring works. You just pull and you adjust it. Like literally, this is amazing. If you like to have your wigs put up in a bun, or you know, if you like to do updos and stuff like that, this is amazing. Like this just means that you don't have to glue the back of your hair. If you want to leave some of your hair out to like blend out everything, it literally like would just make things easier. It makes the wig feel a lot more snug and pretty. And yeah guys, I just went ahead and put some water and a little bit of leave-in conditioner just to give the curls a little bit of life, but like it truly didn't need any of that. Just water would have been fine. It is so pretty. I am in love with this wig. It definitely is giving everyday fall wig. It's fluffy, it's big, but it's actually really soft at the same time. It's easy to install. It can actually be worn as a glueless, completely glueless install, but I chose to glue it down with a little bit of spray just to make sure it's secure. You know, it's kind of windy out here and I don't want to risk it. But yeah guys, this is absolutely everything for this video. I am in love with the hair. I'm not just saying these because everybody talks nice about Luvme hair. I actually love their wigs, and it's one of my biggest recommendations every time somebody wants something easy to wear, glueless, and easy to go with. It's just pretty, it's just beautiful, and I don't really have anything negative to say. The hair took in the heat pretty quick. You guys can see here as I'm doing my side part how easy it was to literally like get the top flat. Like I just had to do a few passes of the hot comb and the hair was flat on the top. Like that's some good hair right there that takes in heat properly without giving you any issues. This is how the hair came out. I did try a little pin up with a little some in the front. This is the final look. I really hope that you guys like this. I'm gonna have all the details, all the links, all that you need in the description box, and I'll see you on my next video. Muchísimos besitos. Bye.